All right, everybody, welcome back to the Enebo Racing channel. Today we got some more drag racing content coming for you. We got the turbo Mustang out in full effect. Stormtrooper here is going to be making some rips. Still just kind of seeing what it'll do. It'll be the first time out on the new tires. We got some Mickey Thompson ET Street SS's, 275 50-15s. We're gonna see how they react, or how my car reacts to them, trying to get out of the hole a little quicker. We're gonna shoot for at least like a 1.7 60-foot today. That would be pretty good. We're still on the stock transmission and the stock rear end, so we're gonna see what it does. But yeah, Ben didn't make it out here today because he blew his motor up. We'll have more information on that as the story progresses, but as of now, yeah, he snapped the crank or something big, so he's out here supporting, so I can thank him for that. But yeah, he can't bring his car because he blew his motor up. So it's just gonna be me out here today. We're gonna try and film as much of this as possible. Don't really think I'm gonna be messing with the tune too much because it was running really good. So we're just gonna kind of focus on the short track, get out of the hole, get reaction times, and just practice for Saturday. Doing some drag racing on Saturday down at the Ford Fever Classic, so that'll be a blast. But yeah, we got 2 more qualifiers before elimination starts, so we'll be able to make a couple passes and see how we're doing. But yeah, gonna let this thing cool down and we'll catch you inside the car. All right, we're in the pits, about to make our first qualifying rip. We're gonna try and leave off the 2-step. I got it set to 3,500. We're gonna see what it'll do. Got my tire pressure set to 25 PSI. We'll see how it reacts. Might go lower, but this should be all right. Let's see what we got here. Not a good rip, guys. Spun, missed third, all around garbage pass. But you know, we'll learn something from it here, and you know, we'll dial it in. Got to figure this out. Let's see it, brother. All right, folks, we're back in the staging lanes here. Made a couple adjustments. We've raised the 2-step up to 3,800, and we've lowered the tire pressures from 25 down to 16, or I think 15. We're gonna just hope to leave a little better. I was on the button. We built boost, we spun off the line, but there's a couple things. Not a smoky enough burnout, and I don't think I had a high enough RPM on my 2-step. So with those 2 adjustments, we're gonna, you know, see what it'll do going out. But I'm trying to get in the right lane, and we'll see. I kind of showed up a little late, and so we'll see if they want me here. But it's gonna be my last round of qualifying until they get seated. So depending on how I do here, this will kind of let me know what we're up against. But yeah, we're gonna go out there and let her rip. Gonna get a big old smoky burnout here. Still blocked. Ah, dang it. So here's our time slip from the last qualifier. We ran a 8:27 at 87.95. Best 60 foot I've ever had, 1:877. Reaction time can get better, so we're looking to improve on that. Really, really good pass. I bogged off the line. These things, I got the tire pressures locked in at 15 PSI. We're gonna up the two-step launch RPM just by a couple hundred RPM to try and get a little more boost out of it. But yeah, it bogged just dead hooked off the line, which is what we want. We can just start throwing some power at it. So we're gonna launch it at 4,000 and see how she likes it. We're gonna dial in, I'm gonna go down to 810. We do plan on picking up some steam here, so first round of eliminations, I am gonna change my time and just hope that I can put the power down. So we're gonna start there. We'll let you know when we're back in the car. All right, we're getting matched up here. I'm looking for R627. Waiting for them to pull up because I didn't see them in the pit. So we're gonna get matched up here. We'll hit the lanes. And yeah, we're gonna make a lick. Got the air filter off. We got the headlight out, all the airflow. We're hoping to make something happen here. We got RPM launch is gonna be at 4,000. And we're just gonna, you know, let her rip and see if we can't take home a win here. That's all we're after. All right, gave him lane choice. We'll make it work, guys. We'll make it work. Big old smoky burnout. We're up against the F250 with the diesel in it. So we're gonna see it. We're gonna see. He's got a perfect light sticker. He's got slicks on it. Look at this thing, guys. Big old F250, short bed, perfect light sticker. Not good. We gonna see. All right, boys. This is make it or break it. Big old smoky burnout. Good, guys. All right, so I've been slacking on the videos here, but we lost that race against the truck. Didn't get a good launch, kind of slipped or spun a little bit off the line. Let me show you what we got going on here. Dialed in an 810, ran an 837 with a 2.12 60 foot. Good reaction time, 0.107. So that's still pretty decent. I paid 10 bucks to get into the last chance qualifier. We're gonna make one last pass. Just gotta test it out. This time I'm not gonna leave off the two-step, but I am gonna leave at a higher RPM just to ride the clutch out to see how these tires handle it. Hopefully just make a nice A to B run and see if we can't get that 60 foot down. I'm shooting for anything under 820 is gonna be a good time. So we're gonna see how it does, and yeah, we'll let you know. Guys, good burnout here. No button. Dang. All right, nothing broke. That left really good. I red lit though. Got a little too excited, but I let that thing run. Grinded second a little bit, you'll probably hear it in the video. But I got it in. No, that was a good hit. I don't know when I ran, but that was a good hit. I'm happy. Yep, ground second, just a little bit. But it hooked. All right, thank you. Oh. Fastest pass! Woo! Oh boy, we made a lick, guys. Barely went red, barely went red. That's a pass. 806. 806. Now we're talking. We are moving, people. We are moving. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so here's the time slip. I was up against the C7 Corvette here. Just barely went red, 0.04 on the tree, negative, so red lit. But man, 176, they barely got me on the 60. But then, yeah, ran at 806 at 89 miles an hour. So pretty sweet, pretty happy about that. That's going to do it for today's video. We're going to be back out at PIR on Friday, so in a couple days, doing some testing tune, and then on Saturday is going to be the Ford Fever Classic. So I should have a whole series of videos coming out just for this week of racing, so that'll be kind of cool. But yeah, bummer that my brother blew his motor up. So Ben's pretty much out for the rest of the season, which sucks, but I'm excited to have him on the pit crew because, yeah, we'll help get my car dialed in the meantime. So yeah, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. And as always, stay ripping.
Hail Valley, headed into Mustang.
He just kicked his record.